Please excuse me.
Hey, back in bed, my safest place. I just want to make a video. It's kind of like I'm on pass at the moment for the weekend from my acute psychiatric ward, and things just kind of got a bit out of control in terms of my over-medicating and self-harm, that kind of thing. So I'm kind of in there just now. But I don't know, I think, okay, right, well, that is good for the short term, I understand that, and I appreciate the help and whatnot that they're kind of trying to give, but it's not a specialised unit in anything. It's kind of like all psychiatric problems, which is, that's fine. I understand that, it has that, like, there is a need for that, but I feel like I need to be back in some kind of residential treatment facility for borderline patients with, like, the whole complex needs thing. It's like all my things are so interrelated. It's like I've been treated like on eating disorder units, and I don't get anywhere because it's not just an eating disorder I have, and they can't seem to understand why I'm not kind of reacting and behaving in the same way as the other eating disorder patients. To me, it's like the borderline is the main thing, and kind of like my ways of dealing with it are by self-harming, severely over-medicating, eating disorders obviously, and I'm sure there's other things but I can't really think just now. But it's like I really want to be able to get something set up so that I can go to this, like, to some treatment centre and kind of do however many months work I need to do, and then kind of hopefully I'll be in a heck of a better place than I am now. I have been to a treatment centre, but then like quite a lot has happened since then, and I just kind of think if I was to go back to the stage that I was whenever I left there, then that would be great. But I mean, obviously you can't go back, but it's like if I could kind of at least get to that level again, I just think the quality of life, and I just feel that I would actually be able to do so much more, because at the moment I'm just, it's like it's an effort to get through every day, and like just over medicating the whole time, and it's just I can't believe my life's come to this, and it's like I'm not ready to give up. It's like I've been referred to so many different places, like eating disorder units, and again they just kind of, whenever they find out about like the self-harm, and especially the like abusing prescription medication and abusing other medication, they're like, well, we don't really deal with that kind of problem here, and I kind of get the same response a lot of places I go. So it's kind of, does anybody know a place that you've either been to or heard of or seen advertised, or that you're wanting to go to yourself, or anything that deals with the whole borderline, like kit and caboodle, kind of every piece of crap that is being borderline? Like, does anybody know of a treatment centre that is like that? It's like I would absolutely love to go. As I say, like, I would, whatever it is, I don't care if it's Scotland. Well, there's nowhere in Scotland unless, well, yeah, there's nowhere in Scotland. It's like I'd be willing to travel like anywhere in Europe. I'd even be willing to travel to America or Canada or Australia, or like literally anywhere, if I knew that somewhere could kind of read my notes, read what I'm all about, and kind of see my behaviours and kind of think, yeah, we can treat her or we can help her, like, get her life back on track. I'm not expecting them to do it for me. I'm just expecting or hoping for a bit of help along the way, because, like, as much as I try to do it on my own, I'm not really managing it, clearly I'm not. So, I don't know, I'm just really asking for names and suggestions of places, if anybody knows of anywhere that would possibly deal with someone like me, as in the borderline with kind of like all these complex needs and crap, then please let me know, because as I say, I'm so desperate. I'm so ready to get help, and I really do want. I want to get, like, to go somewhere that can, I don't know, that I'll be safe enough to help myself to get better and to get into a much better situation, and then actually kind of move on and keep on moving on. That is just what I ideally want. So yeah, if anybody knows of any treatment centre, please just leave a message, even like just in the comment box. You don't have to find out the address or like the full address or any contact details or anything. Please, just the name of a place. I don't care, as I said, where it is. I will travel worldwide to get help. I need help, and I would literally do anything to be able to just work through this in like a therapeutic community type environment, and at the end of my stay to have actually kind of dealt with things that I know I need to deal with, but I can't deal with them on my own. Okay, so that's my little plea for the day. I'll have to move away to get up. So thank you. I hope everybody's well. I love you all.